welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an exciting video for me anyway. It's an unboxing of an item I got from Hermès. Now, a little bit of a story time before I get into it. If you don't like story times, you can fast forward the video to get to the main thing. But if you do, just give me a few minutes. So this is my very first item from Hermès, and when I say very first item, yes, I have a Twilly from them from probably 4, 5, 6 years ago, and that's it. I never bought anything else from them. Maybe if a lipstick counts, okay, maybe a lipstick, and that's it really. So I decided this year, I've been going on about wanting an Hermès Birkin and Kelly, either Birkin 25 or Kelly 25. I'm speaking it into existence. So I've been going on about it for years. And I decided this year to actually stop just talking about it and begin to slowly and steadily begin to make small steps towards achieving that dream. So I started by, you know what, I'm going to call Hermès and just ask them, what is the process, what do I have to do, and all that. And then I realized, you know what, do I even have an account with Hermès? I don't think so, because I've not gone into the store and bought something. It's just online. Not just, it was online. So I said, okay, I need to start by going into the store. So I went to the store the first time. The second time, I took a look on their website and saw some of the things that I liked and I wanted. So I said, okay, let me go and open an account with them, and in that process, maybe make a purchase. Anyway, cut the long story short, I went into Hermès to open an account, and while I was there, I met a lovely essay, and I told her, like, I was just straight up, I told her what I wanted, and she took my wish list down and told me it might take up to 1 year for anything to become available, if I am lucky, for the bag that I want. So fingers crossed for me, it worked. That would be amazing. Just visualize that for a minute. Okay, without further ado, so that is this quick summary of my little Birkin story. If you follow me on Instagram and watch my Instagram stories, you will understand the story even better. Okay, so this is the beautiful box. It's called, sorry, not box, the shopping bag. It just feels so like, I feel like I'm slowly, I just bought something from library. I feel like I'm slowly and surely, one step at a time, getting towards my dream, if that makes sense. It's like, okay, let's start by opening it and by having something. Anyway, so I wanted to get something like that for everyday use, something that I will use on a daily basis. I wanted a scarf, which I do use my scarves. However, I said, let me go for their homeware. So this is the box it comes with. Of course, that's the receipt. So that's the box it comes with, and I like the way they packaged it. And it was a lovely experience. I love in-store shopping, really, because you get to interact with people, you get to chat with them, the human experience when you meet the nice person. And I'm always lucky. I haven't had any negative experience in the shops. I'm always lucky. I get to meet nice people and we chat, and it gives me a memory attached to whatever item I got. So here is the beautiful box, of course. So what I ordered is a homeware piece, and there it is, nicely packaged. And let me bring out one of them. Oopsie. So that's it. It's a beautiful, this is called Mosaic AU. I don't want to pronounce it wrongly, but HAU Mosaic bowl, rice bowl. Yes, Mosaic rice bowl. So first of all, when she brought it out for me, because I already knew what I wanted, so when she brought it out, I was expecting something bigger. Yes, I know they have the measurements written on the website, but honestly, I didn't actually read the measurements, so I was wanting something bigger. But so when she opened it, I was a little bit like, because I was imagining something I would use for my breakfast cereals, like my porridge and stuff like that. So that was what I was imagining to use it for. However, when I saw this, I realized it's way too small for that. So I decided I'm going to use it for my fruits. and any like yogurt, fruits, things that I eat on a daily basis, because I want this to be my little fancy way of eating something. So that's the details. I hope is capturing properly. So I went for the classic H signs or whatever. So that's it. So I'm going to use it to have my fruits and yogurt, because I have this on a daily basis, and anything else really, that maybe snacks when I'm watching Netflix and chill, I can put some snacks in here. Just a little touch of luxury into my everyday experiences. Yes, so that's it. Mosaic AU24, made in France. I'm not sure that's capturing. Anyway, so that's my little unboxing from Hermès and my first impression review. I like it. I am happy with it. It's something that I would definitely get good use out of, and that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted something I can use on daily basis and enjoy it on a daily basis, and this ticks the box perfectly well, and it is too, so someone in the house can also enjoy it with me. Anyway, so that's it for today's quick, if this is actually a quick unboxing of my first item. Let's just call it my first official item from Hermès. One day, just one day, I don't know when that one day will be, I will be happily unboxing a Birkin 25 in gold hardware, Togo leather, in either colors, blue nude, grey etan, grey asphalt, gold, or black. Any of this. Fingers crossed. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.